Hi there. In this video, we will go over the process of configuring your dashboard. This will allow you to quickly access certain features of Flawless POS. We will start in the dashboard module. By default, your account will be empty. To access the settings of the dashboard, locate the gear button on the right and press it. In the opened Configure Dashboard dialog, you will be able to see all of the quick access options you can add. Note that you will only see the items that your permission allows. Note that there are 3 different types of items you can add to the dashboard. Those are the action strip, a widget, and a tab. We will add one of each type to showcase the difference. In this demo, we will add the action strip, the account open balance, and the pending jobs tab. Once you are happy with your selection, press OK. In the updated dashboard, we will be able to see all the added items: the widget at the top, the white action strip in the middle, and the pending jobs tab. Note that the action strip is currently empty since it requires additional configuration to be set up, which we will cover in the other tutorial. Note that the widget at the top is non-interactable. It allows you to quickly glance over the needed information. The pending jobs tab allows you to have quick access to the service jobs list. This displays the same information as the service jobs module itself, but it might be useful for some people to have it on the dashboard if they work with service jobs often enough. Every user will be able to configure the dashboard according to their own needs, which will make the workflow more efficient. That's it for the usage and configuration of the dashboard. Thanks for watching.